Alright, how's everybody doing? I wanted to do a video on how to compression test an engine. This is true for any engine that is an internal combustion engine. First you need to remove the spark plugs, and why my engine's apart is I'm doing a head gasket, so I want to check the rings before I really pull it apart and do everything and make sure that I have a good lower end. But remove all the spark plugs. You have to disable the fuel system and disable the spark system, excuse me. So you can usually pull the fuses for those. You can get a start switch wire like I have, makes it super easy. Push button, let me see, it'll start the car. Run it from the positive side down to the starter terminal that engages the solenoid. And you want to do about 5 to 7 revolutions, and let's see what we got on cylinder 1. Let me get that in focus for everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 180 with 5, right? So we'll go a little more. We'll do about 10 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so on a cold engine, I'm getting 210 PSI on cylinder 4. So 210 on cylinder 4. So ideally, you want to see 210 on all the cylinders, or a variation of about no more than 15 to 20%. So plus or minus. So 210 here, I can have 225 here or 200. 225 or 200. They all got to be within 10 to 15% of each other in order for the engine to be healthy. So that's how you would compression test a video. That's how you would compression test an engine. I'm showing you on video. If you need any other information on it, please drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.